Now we're going to continue on with the form. The first thing you'll notice is that there's a dark red line or dark black line about halfway down through the form. If you fold it across that, you will have the form divided in half. The top half is the patient information and the bottom half is the physician information. We're going to start with the top, the patient information. There are some tips that I'd like to give you, and I call them if-then. If you fill out a field or a box, then you must fill out another field or box. The first one is the patient name. If the patient name and address is the same as the insured's name in box 4 and 7, then you only need to write same in box 4 and box 7. You do not need to refill or recopy the insured's name and the insured's address if they are the patient. The next one is 11D. If you mark yes in 11D, then you must fill out box 9. When you mark 11D yes, it says that there is another insurance company and you must fill out that information in 9. If you mark yes and don't fill out box 9, it is a deniable claim and there is no reimbursement. The next part of the if-then statements are in the bottom half, the physician-based. And there are 3. The first one has to do with box 17, the name of the referring provider or other source. If you put a name in box 17, then you must fill out 17B, the NPI number for that provider. The next one is box 21. In box 21, there are 4 areas to write in diagnostic codes. When you write in a diagnostic code in box 21, box 24E asks for the diagnostic or diagnosis pointer. If you notice in 21, there are numbers 1, 2, 3, or 4 in front of the codes. This is what is asked for in box 24E. In this column, there only should be 1, 2, 3, or 4, not the full diagnostic code. Anything other than 1, 2, 3, or 4 in box 24E results in a deniable claim and no reimbursement. The next if-then field has to do with box 24B, place of service. If you have a place of service other than 11 or 12, you must then fill out box 32. Also, the second part of 24B is that if you have a place of service other than 11 or 12 and a hospital in box 32, you must fill out box 18, hospitalization dates related to current service. So box 24, anything other than 11 or 12, and a hospital in box 32, you must fill out box 18.